Welcome to the third and final video for tonight's homework. It's a video about photoelectric effect. Don't worry about that fourth page of Cornell notes. We'll actually do that in class. I don't know why I signed up for a video. Okay, photoelectric effect is this really cool thing. It's actually what Albert Einstein won a Nobel Prize for discovering. He did not, everybody knows him for being the guy who did relative theory of relativity, but that's actually not what he won his Nobel Prize for. He won his Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect, which is kind of interesting. Basically, his idea is that when light of a high energy, so we're talking about short wavelengths, high frequency, high energy light, strikes a piece of metal, then the metal will eject what's called a photoelectron, which is a special kind of electron. And then that electron can be captured to produce electricity, this is how solar panels work. So here's our piece of metal, and it's got a bunch of nuclei, and it's got a bunch of electrons in there. And a light of high energy, let's say purple light, I don't know exactly what the kind of light is, but purple has the highest of all the visible light. If purple light comes in and hits our piece of metal, it will actually eject a photoelectron. So we talked about exciting electrons when we talked about the quantum video, and this one's basically so excited that it has left the object. And then a solar panel will then capture that electron and put it through a wire and create electricity that way. Now, it has to be a high enough energy of light. If red light, which is lower energy light, comes in, nothing will happen. And it does not matter how much red light you put in there. You could just beat this thing with red light and no electrons will be ejected. It doesn't matter about the quantity of light, it matters about the energy of light. It has to be high energy. So that is basically photoelectric effect. And like I said, the atomic spectrum, we will actually be doing that in class. So don't worry about that video. You just tear that page right off the end of your notes packet. Thank you.